Industrial manufacturers are looking for printing systems that can handle advanced materials and integrate seamlessly into production lines. At Quantica, we are building exactly that. Hi, my name is Andreas Müller. I am head of system integration at Quantica. Behind me is the first demonstrator prototype of our industrial one-pass printing system, which we call Print Engine. Many of our customers are already familiar with our NovoJet printhead and its ability to jet materials with higher viscosities compared to traditional inkjet. But to use this technology effectively, they also need a system that integrates directly into their production lines. That's why we are developing Print Engine. It's a modular, scalable platform designed for industrial environments. By combining multiple print cells, you can adjust print width, layer height and throughput to match the requirements of your specific application. This flexibility makes the system suitable for a wide range of manufacturing processes, and just as important, printing functional materials in-line may also enable new product capabilities. Right now, we are running print trials on an application for the electrical vehicle industry. In this case, the print engine is used to jet adhesives onto e-motor lamella sheets. This enables precise and efficient material placement at high speed and supports a more streamlined production process. And this is just one example. The print engine has the potential to be applied across many different industries and use cases. From adhesives to coatings to conductive inks, the possibilities are wide-ranging. Do you have any specific application in mind, or do you want to know more about Print Engine? Find us at quantica.io and get in touch with our team.